Hi everyone, so if you're following my channel you most probably know this, but sometimes it's really good to come back to the basics. So if you're running a company, what's your number one priority? Of course it's to grow your business. So people, before they find us, most often they hire sales reps or they pay lots of money on marketing that doesn't work. Obviously sometimes this works really well for your business, and this is something you should continue then, of course, because we always look at return on investment. But one of the most cost efficient channels is to do cold outreach. And what is that? It's to find your ideal prospects and then reach out to them, and then you can put yourself right in front of the person that you want to talk to with the minimum of cost and with the minimum of manual work, because now you have so good tools that can take care of most of the tasks for you. If you're using Scalic or Nautic, you just insert a prompt and then you can send emails directly from the platform, or Scalic you can send DMs directly from the platform. So with that said, we can leverage platforms like LinkedIn. So basically what we can do now is to add the right people in our network, and then you can use your own LinkedIn feed as a marketing channel. But what we have seen is that most people who do LinkedIn cold outreach, they don't post anything on LinkedIn, so they just use the channel to DM people directly. And the problem here, when we're DM people that doesn't know us, then we have low reply rates and low connection rates, and this is what we want to increase. And that's why we built this flow inside of N8N that's going to automatically post on your LinkedIn feed every single day for you to get seen in front of your ideal prospects. If you're new here to this channel, I'm Magdalena. I'm running the school community Outreach AI Automation Agents. We also have different outreach tools for you to use: Replies, Scalic and Nautic. And I'm here to help you automate your entire outreach process with strategies and approaches that actually work. If you're interested in that, make sure to follow this channel for more, and let's get started. Okay, so let's quickly walk through why this is important. And the problem here today is that when prospects receive your invite or message, what is the first thing that they do? Because they're going to wonder if they know you, they're going to check your profile, and they're going to glance at the latest post in less than 3 seconds. And even if this is how it works, most people on LinkedIn, they don't post at all. And why is this? It's because they often don't have any ideas. They think that the content must be perfect, so the feed stays empty and the trust stays low. So the insight here is that there's a psychological rule in sales: the more someone sees you, the more they trust you, and the more likely they will engage with you. Very simple. When your face plus name keeps showing up in their feed, you become familiar and not a stranger. And this is one of the most important things we need to do, because we need to grow our network. This is how we do, by invites, and we also need to nurture the feed after we invite them. And this is one of the reasons why LinkedIn is so powerful, because once you added these people, your ideal prospects, to your network, then you're owning this network for yourself, and you can literally nurture them as long as you want to. So outreach from a stranger is really creepy. Outreach from someone you see every day, this is normal. So this is why companies pay millions for impressions, the marketing that we talked about before. But here now you just need to do this once, and when they accept your invite, then you can DM them directly and also make yourself visible in front of them every single day. We just do it smarter and automated. So the solution here is the flow that we built inside of N8N. It's a daily LinkedIn auto posting agent powered by AI. You just write one single prompt and that's it. The AI generates posts every day, post them at a scheduled time, and you stay visible. No writer's block and no excuses for you. So how it works is that we're going to connect your LinkedIn account. It's just one click, so it's secure. You add your content prompt, you choose the posting frequency, and then that's done. So you're going to show up daily, you're going to stay top of mind, and you're going to feed impressions, profile views, replies, and this is in the end more deals for you. So the benefits here is higher invite acceptance rate, more replies to your outreach, more profile visits, and if you're doing this right, then your profile should be like a landing page for your business. More inbound conversations, and you build authority without spending time. So now I'm going to show you real quick how the flow looks like inside of N8N. Okay, so this is the flow inside of N8N, and we have been playing around with different kind of posts. So here we have been generating images of paintings, and obviously you can use the same flow for text only. And something really cool that you can do here is to build your own RAG. In this video, if I haven't checked it out, I explain how you build your own RAG, and a RAG is basically a database of your own business, your own personal story. Whatever you feed into the RAG and the database, then AI can go and fetch that data and create really personalized LinkedIn posts for you every single day. And the secret here is the prompt engineering. So what you want to do is to put some time on a really good prompt for AI to really get your unique tone of voice so that you can create really powerful messages for your audience. So here we have a flow, and each day we're going to retrieve a previous post as a memory to generate a new one. And why this is important is because we're letting AI know what we actually wrote about yesterday, so that it doesn't go and write the same post about the same subject. So if you check this last one out here, you can see that we have a different type of subjects. So it's going to go through all of these different type of subjects to create new posts for us and make sure that it's not going to be the same as the last one. So we're going to first store the memory. We're using a prompt right here to generate an image. We're going to analyze it for reference for the next day's post. We publish the image or the post on LinkedIn directly from your own LinkedIn profile, and then we're going to insert the row to save as a memory. And this is how fast and easy it is. And just like that, you leverage your own LinkedIn network to gain impressions, new profile visits, and also higher reply rates, and invite acceptance on your cold outreach. So if you want this flow for your own business, I invite you to join our school community, where we have people discussing and engaging in different posts. And inside of the classroom, I have different flows and automations for you to use in your own business. So we started this community for salespeople, entrepreneurs, or business owners who doesn't know how to use tech or automations to scale their business. So if this is you, I would love to see you inside. I really hope that this video brought you value. If it did, please comment and like this video down below. I look forward to talk to you again in the next video. Have a good week. Bye.